Welcome to last week's Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. And today's video, the daily Kung Fu training and tutorial number 16.
The tornado kick is used in Taekwondo and MMA to confuse or distract opponents. When executing this effective and powerful kick, you jump, kick, and land all on the same leg. This whirling kick is divided into three parts: a guard stance, spin kick, and crescent kick.
We're gonna be training today is the tornado kick, very popular in Kung Fu and Wushu. So let's go. Alright, so we're gonna start the first technique in your Taolu training for tornado kick. So this is a takeoff by both feet. Let's just start it stationary. And my arms stay straight. You gotta go squash. It depends on the person, but I suggest you go squash all the way because you have more power to support you to jump higher. So this way, you gotta jump after, and you jump after to make sure you jump body straight higher, and you rotate. Balance, right center, top the same way. Thumb down and go up to leading, go higher, and you rotate to keep straight. It's possible. Position for your kick is right this way. So you start with this way, so you go swing, you take off, you rotate. Your kick should be just right here. Then you can landing back for here. This is the floater, 360. You go squash 1 and 2. You kick just right here. So that is a good way to start. You jump swing to make a less rotation to kick right this way. The next step, you got to do the same technique, but you rotate more, you kick a little bit later. So my angle, the first is right here. Now we're going to kick this way. Then I got to go down and go kick, boom, right here. So my target is right there. Very important is your arm and waist and your leg work all together, integrate as one. The next target, we got to move right this way. So I go jump and go kick. You say you quick go down and then you come back the same way. So very important, you quick make your kick. You quick go down, your head go straight up. So that way you can really stay your center and then your body goes straight, right? Like this, just go kick and straight. And the other thing really help you, my life student as well, and we training all the time. We go kick, quick go down and you make the rotation. So that's how you feel, how rotate with your kick, even though without the jump first, right? You stop your left, you open your arm, then you make kick, quick go down, and you keep rotate your shoulder. So keep your body straight. So that's how the way to build your basics and then make a good kick. And quick note is for your feet. So once you go this boom slap kick, you have that sound because the angle of your kick, your feet has to go this way, not this way, because go not ready hand B. Got to slap. So you got to twist a little bit this way, so you can go boom, the slap kick. So it's not only for the sound, as I said in before as well. So this also to help you the impact, the rotation, and also go higher. Right? About the landing, you go boom, boom, at your first stance, right? Flat. So it looks hard. Actually, you just need to follow one more step to achieve today the tornado kick tutorial. You got to practice. You jump straight and go down. Right? To make flat horse stance, and then you fit together, you jump straight, high you can, and down. To make this, you can do half turn, down, half turn, down, and then you can work out the full turn, down, right? So with this practice, you can feel the balance, how rotate and how to landing. Then you can make every step all together. Let's go to the next one. All right. So this is a single leg takeoff for tornado kick. It's very different technique than the both feet takeoff. So let's just start one thing at a time. For beginners, you set the same thing, your arm, and you got to swing and rotate, right? But this one, you always have to practice this move first. So you lift your left knee and you got your right. Beginners, you got to test out one leg, how to jump, right? And then you plus your arm, your arm, your arm. Now kick. Boom, same thing, you gotta start the angle 1, and then you start with angle 2, and then you gotta go, boom, 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 and go straight, landing. So this is pretty simple, look like, because very important is your inside kick, have the impact, the speed even more than boss leg because you want more rotate. So you can tell earlier, so I can do landing by knee down. Also, I can do rotate 540. All about the speed of a kick, the speed of your kick go down. So boom, swing, boom, swing. That's the first move, and you go this, boom, right? So relax and you go quick kick, and you can go down with your punch with the stanches. Recently, wushu and kung fu competition, a lot actually do 540 rotation with tornado kick or 720. How to do 540 tornado kick? Normally for 540, and we take some steps. So mostly you gotta step right, left, right 3 times, and turn. So those steps will help you to get more speed and take off higher and then kick faster. The rhythm of a step, the first step, I make pretty slow and solid. But the next two is very fast because you go 1, 2, because you get more speed and it help you go boom, take off and the boom impact. So let's see this again. Right? So this is 540. So you can see those steps really help me to get more speed. I can take off a little higher and this kick with a fast speed and go down quick. And this help me rotation with the last half rotation and landing by my knee and I'll make the punch. All right, so this is a sparring technique for the tornado kick. So for the tornado kick, when you to go attack your opponents, your leg will be bending first and just boom to kick. So that's like snap kick. So a snap kick like this, straight way, or you go boom, the set way, like this, just lower and higher. So always I like to using from the sparring technique and to your form train. Even though a lot of coaches not teach this anymore, but this is very important. There's a principle for martial arts. You cannot without why or why not to do these movements. Alright, so for tornado kick, the 3 things are very important. The first, so how you make that step, how you to take off, how you do spinning in the air, how you kick, how you landing. So to make step, you're right. You make the good size of your boss feet. If too big, it's very hard to take off. If too small, and it's also same thing, hard to take off. So you make almost the same size like your shoulder and your arm in the front, the right side. Because you got to swing. But someone do this, common problem, the arms start here, and then they go swing. But you work hard to get enough angle you want. Actually go down, and you go up, 45 back. So that's the way how you go spinning. You take out by your single leg, your right? So 1 step, and 2 right here, and you go swing. From down, go up, and your knee should be slightly bending, and you go knee, and then you touch another knee. There's a good way to set your hand like target, so your knee touch your hand. So that's the way you got this 1, 2. So you got to rotate. This is straight 60. It looks easy, but just get right with that arm. Don't go back. Go to this flat level, and you go down, and then you go back. At the same time, you rotate. You go higher, so you go knee and knee. Go to the next. You go down, you go knee and kick. So once you bend your right knee and you kick like this, so that's basically for tornado kick. It with the bottom, right? So you got to step your right and you got to swing and boom. You got to rotate and you make the kick. So with a real situation, you can see this competition in Taekwondo, in MMA. So when people really doing this, they are really adjust the distance. The distance is very important. And also you're holding the point before you strike. For example, I'm fighting with my target. So once I go hit, boom, I will holding my leg before the strike because I need to find out this person how to react. This person maybe go quick, go back, or the good quick go front. So with that reaction to control the timing and control the distance when you strike, and this person is moving a little far away, you can open your hip and then extend your kick longer and to attack the person far away. Rotation, boom. So I open my hip widely so I can reach my target even move far away. Right? If the person is moved to closer, you have to also adjust. Person coming closer and you gotta be kick shorter and not go longer, right? Not open your hip. It's simply like that. So easier to say and it's hard to do. With your daily training, the right technique, and you can do it. It's coming to me very close right here. So I go extend. So my leg will to my opponent's shoulder. So you can grabbing, and then you got wrestling me, coming too close, you got turning, and you got just go boom. You got to do different kick. You don't need to really bend your knee. You go boom, work kick. Closer, take the side of the face. And daily Kung Fu training is one of the best things happened in my life. I cannot without, and I hope I can bring this passion and spreading my knowledge to you. Few things will be help you to achieve your daily Kung Fu training. Future goals, you got to break down the small goals. Once you have that little small goals, you achieve one little things, and to the other, eventually you gotta achieve the bigger goals. So you have to understand. So the Kung Fu training is not coming from one day hard work. It's from many days hard work. If you're training 2 hours a day with your heart, you give it the best. If you're training every day or 5 days a week, you will get result. You can achieve good Kung Fu. If you are training 8 hours or 9 hours for 1 day a week, does not help you to get the best result or better result than if you're training 2 hours a day every day. You got to push through the point. You will meet a day you don't want to train and you don't want to move, but that's your plan. 10 to 12 is the time for your training Kung Fu. No matter what, you push through the point. You do it anyway, and mostly you will be very happy for your result. You're overcoming yourself, you have better feeling, and you create your confidence. It's something can help you to achieve daily Kung Fu training with your Kung Fu goals. Another way, enjoy every moment you training, not compare with others. Because everybody are different, everybody have strong points, and everybody has weakness. Someone faster, and someone stronger, someone jump higher, but doesn't matter. Maybe you are more flexible. So just focus on the strong points you have. Don't have to really compare with others, but you can always compare yourself. If today your result is better than yesterday, and that's all matter. Just try your best and be the best version of yourself. And you give 100% of your focus for every moment the training time. You 100% to focus on your training, focus on your own improvement. You push through those points, and I'm sure you'll be improved. If you're first time here, of course, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I see you in next video, and bye bye.